In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix folds and cracks in an old photo using Fotor's AI photo editor. By the end, you'll know how to clean up damage and bring your picture back to life with a simple, repeatable workflow. Start by opening your browser on your PC and heading to Fotor.com. Log in so you can access the editing tools. On the home page, look for AI Photo Editor and click it. This takes you into the editor where it will load your image. Click Upload Image, then find your old photo on your computer. Select it and click Open. Give it a moment to load. On the left side of the editor, open the Beauty section, then choose the Clone tool. Clone is perfect for repairing damage because it copies clean pixels from one area and paints them over imperfections. Before you begin, adjust the brush size so it roughly matches the width of the fold or crack you're fixing. A brush that's just a bit wider than the damaged line usually works best. If you can, zoom in for precision. Smaller, careful strokes are easier to control and look more natural. Now set your source. Hold the Alt key on your keyboard or click to select a source if that's how your device is set up, and choose a clean spot near the fold or crack. Picking a nearby area helps keep the texture and lighting consistent. After setting the source, click or gently drag over the damaged line to cover it with pixels from the clean area. Work in short passes and reset your source frequently, especially when the surrounding texture changes. This matters around edges, like along a face, clothing seams, or patterned backgrounds, where aligning lines and textures keeps everything looking seamless. If a stroke doesn't look right, use undo and try a smaller brush or a different source point. Continue this process, sampling and painting until each fold or crack disappears. Take your time around detailed features, eyes, lips, text, or fine patterns, so you preserve original details while removing the damage. When you're satisfied with the cleanup, go to the top right and click Download. Choose either JPG or PNG. JPG is great for smaller file sizes and everyday use, while PNG preserves a bit more detail and avoids compression artifacts. After selecting your format, click Download again to save the edited photo to your computer's default download location. That's it. With a careful source selection and steady strokes, you can quickly restore old photos and keep their original character intact.